Hello there, so I'm just taking a video of the PC before you pick it up tomorrow. So as you can see, really compact and nice looking. So just going to show you how the PC is arranged. So at the back here, just plug in the power cord up the top. The Wi-Fi antenna needs to be screwed on to the back here because I don't want to destroy it in transportation. Just screw it onto these two knobs. If it doesn't work, you can also just plug in Ethernet cable and that's all good. You've got audio ports, 6 USB ports, and for your monitor, make sure you connect it to the graphics card here. Do not connect it to here. This will not work because you're running your graphics from the graphics card. Okay. During idle, the GPU fans will not spin, but once in a game or when you need to use it, the fans will spin. So showing you the specifications of the PC. So you've got NVIDIA control panel installed for the RTX 3060. You've got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth installed. You've got the Ryzen 5 3600X with 16 gigs of RAM and Windows 10 Pro is installed. And you've got the 500 gig NVMe SSD for you to install applications on. So this PC is all good to go. You've got additional USB ports up here, and this is the power on button. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.